The meaning of expressions. Simplifying expressions. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. How to express an unknown quantity in a simple way. 2. What is an algebraic expression? Where does it differ from an arithmetic expression? 3. How to transform an algebraic expression into an arithmetic one. 4. How to calculate the value of an algebraic expression. 5. What are the terms of an algebraic expression? Where do like and unlike terms differ from each other? 6. What are coefficients and constants of an algebraic expression? 7. What does writing an algebraic expression in its simplest terms mean? How do you write an algebraic expression in its simplest term? 8. How to order the terms of an algebraic expression. 9. How to make operations with like or unlike terms. 10. How to easily identify like terms in an algebraic expression. 11. How to deal with exponents in algebraic expressions. Introduction. How do you express an unknown quantity? For example, the name of an unknown person, the number of an unknown amount of items, etc. What happens if you assign a value to these unknown quantities? Can you find a result to the corresponding expressions? What kind of expression do they become in these cases? Henceforth, we will extend the concept of expressions beyond numbers we have used in arithmetic expressions. In this tutorial, we will deal with algebraic expressions. Algebraic means to denote a mathematical expression or equation in which a finite number of symbols are combined, using only the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponentiation with constant rational exponents. That is all for introduction to the meaning of expressions. Simplifying expressions. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 6.1.1. What are algebraic expressions? Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.